Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. We're glad you chose to watch this channel again. Today we have selected for you a very attractive and exciting collection of the best scare cam, but before going to the video, thank you for subscribing to our channel, and if you are already a member of the channel, thank you. Today's video consists of 3 parts. The first part is a collection of my favorite scare cam, and in the second part, we are going to watch the clips, most of which are to scare people with masks. But in the third part, you will see very funny videos of people being scared by air horn. But as I promised, you will meet one of my friends in this video, and we will watch today's video with her. I introduce young magician from the Middle East, Zomeyrah.
Hello friends, I'm glad to see you and thank you so much. So let's go section 1 without delay.
Because Christina's working at Teak, so what are we doing?
Back.
Ah!
Bummer. Wait, no.
Madre pendejo. Mira, güey, me puse chinito. Mira, güey, me puse chinito.
To the worst.
Boo!
Oh my God. Bless, you scared the shit.
Good one.
Cop was like, well, it's not even made for that.
Mm-hmm.
Good. He's a fucking guy!
You are very funny, Zomeyrah, but still naughty. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and liked it. Well, as I said before, one of my favorite parts is scaring people with masks, that most of the videos in this section were taken with masks. Let's watch this part with Zomeyrah.
Yeah.
Night time.
Close the goddamn door!
¿Qué?
El papel de la rifa. ¿Cómo que la rifa?
I knew I should have called in today. Can't work with you.
Dani! Il y a le feu, dépêche-toi, il y a les pompiers! Vite, faut sortir! Okay. 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
I saw that trick before.
April Fools!
Got her.
No entiendo cómo hizo él.
¿De dónde?
Eso es en Alemania.
Pero que ella vive allá. ¡Animal!
No. That's not okay.
Thanks to Zomeyrah and you for watching the video till now. This is the last part of today's video. We will watch Prank by Air Horns together. Let's check them out.
Why would you do that?
Kleine.
Oh my god, you
Air horn.
Against the Rohingya Muslims that included
Don't use it upside down.
God damn it, Robert!
Do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Is there anything else you guys want to do? Like,
bless you, Zomeyrah. Today's video is over, but I hope you have subscribed so far. Like the video and leave us your comments so we can make better videos. And also remember to press the bell button to not miss the new videos. At the end, laugh and make the world a more beautiful place with your laughter. Bye till the next video.